and welcome back to yet another episode of Hi Mommy. And me and Smriti are loving doing this. And ऐसा लग रहा है we are reliving the days when we used to spend lots and lots of time together. अभी she's in Vizag and I'm here. So जितना भी time होता है, we cherish that time. And today, today I thought that let's talk about food, which is a very, very important part of every family. And we all
Every
have different
Punjabi family, especially.
and we all have different food preferences. So today, me and Smriti are going to
They're different,
discuss
but also same. And I think the conversations in our house revolve around food. While having breakfast, we'll be like, lunch mein kya banega? While having lunch, we'll be like, okay, what do you want to have for
एंड
dinner?
हमारे घर में सबका खाने का टेस्ट अलग है.
I used to think we are the only ones who are abnormal, but every household is the same. Everyone wants to
तो
eat at a
भाई it's
different time.
different for me, it's different for dad, it's different for you, it's different for
Yeah.
Nitesh, it's different, but
For
you
Candy
and me.
Snuffy also is different. Yeah, mom.
So
And everyone eats at a different time. We want to eat different things.
why this culture is like going on, because हमारे को तो 3 टाइम
Culture.
खाना मिलता था. Breakfast,
Breakfast,
lunch,
lunch, dinner.
dinner, that's it.
I mean, in between meals,
तो हम सब लोग
there are
इकट्ठे बैठ के टेबल
entrees
पे
and
खाना खाते थे.
appetizers and main course
Oh my
and
god.
3-4 course meal.
तो आई रिमेम्बर हम लोग छोटे थे तो खाना टेबल पे
I
लगता था,
think
डाइनिंग
Bhaiya,
टेबल
me
पे.
and Nitesh, we really want to have healthy but yummy food. That's where the change has come in. We don't want to have Indian all the
You
time.
don't talk about healthy.
I don't eat healthy. I practically survive on French fries.
She is the biggest junk food eater in our family.
Agreed.
And she's blessed genetically because she's got a strong metabolism. She doesn't put on weight easily. And Siddhant is just surprised because Siddhant is completely into clean eating, healthy eating.
Yeah.
And I am typical घर का खाना वाली इंसान.
घर का
And
खाना देखती तो मूड ऑफ हो जाता है मेरा. But yeah, you remember you were telling, sorry for cutting you. बचपन में your lunch days
या
used
सो
to be
हम
like
लोगों का क्या होता था, खाना लगा टेबल के ऊपर, हम सब भाई-बहन इकट्ठा बैठ के खाना खाते थे. द ओनली पर्सन हू वाज़ नेवर प्रेज़ेंट फॉर द फूड्स वाज़ नाना जी, बिकॉज़ उनकी जॉब ऐसी थी, पुलिस में थे. तो उनका लंच तो उनके ऑफ़िस जाता था.
yeah,
डिनर वो कब आते थे, तो डिनर का पता नहीं, बट आई यूज्ड टू सर्व हिम हॉट फूड.
yeah.
उसके बाद अब तो लाइक इवन व्हेन यू गाइस वाज़ यंगर, तो टेबल पे खाना लगता था, सब इकट्ठे बैठ के खाते थे बिकॉज़ एक कॉमन चीज़ें बनती थी, ये बन रहा है. तो किसी का एक इतने-इतने पोर्शन साइज़ेज़ बन रहे होते हैं खाने के अलग-अलग, अलग-अलग.
6 different dishes at the
So
same
there's
time.
times when I tell मोनिका दीदी, भाभी क्या खाओगे? मैं यार तुमने अपने लिए जो बनाया उसी में से 2 रोटी दे दो मेरे को, मैं खा लूँगी.
But yeah, I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
food is like my life revolves around food. It doesn't look like it, but I'm a big foodie and everyone watching it should know this.
And I think
I
food is a good conversation point also.
with
Like,
anyone.
yeah. So if you have you're having food together on the table, sitting and eating, there's so much you can talk about life and things. How's the day gone? दिन में क्या हुआ? किसके साथ क्या हुआ?
खाते
So
हुए
नहीं, खाना खाते-खाते डाइनिंग टेबल कन्वर्सेशंस जो होती हैं,
खाने पे ही होनी चाहिए, लाइफ की नहीं. Only about while having lunch, you should talk about dinner.
उसके बाद जब बिज़नेस डिस्कशंस हो रही होती हैं.
After. While food, only food.
Okay,
Yeah? Okay.
got it.
Yes. Now, let's talk about our favorite dishes,
Mhm.
what we love, like where our palate is similar and where it's completely opposite.
Mm.
I really like spicy, chatpat, flavorful food. Same. What's that one thing you do
I
not
can't
like
have
to eat?
food without my mirchi ka achar.
I mean, I just need,
I won't have mirchi adrak ka
I
achar
don't
every
want
day.
just spice. I want spice and flavor both.
Favorite food.
Yeah. Like piri piri fries, so I'll put the full piri piri packet, sometimes two. No one else can have it. Like even my like nose will be watering, eyes will be watering when I finish it. It's my favorite
So
thing.
maybe mirchi, I love mirchi. I can't have bland food. Mirchi honi chahiye,
Can't have
तीखा
bland.
होना चाहिए. And I like savory foods more than the meetha.
Yeah. I don't have a sweet tooth.
गोलगप्पे, टिक्की,
Soul
मटरा
food.
कुलचा,
Please don't talk about this. I
हल्दीराम
will
का.
have to pause the podcast to go have golgappe. Yeah.
So that is kind like we've grown up also. जम्मू में हम लोग रोज नानी जी गोलगप्पे वाले हमारे घर के पीछे रहते थे. वो गोलगप्पे वाले अंकल, सो उनसे लेके रखा होता था. तो जब हम लोग स्कूल से आते थे ना, तो पहले नानी जी की आवाज़ आती थी, मेरा, सोनू मासी, रूना मासी का नाम लेकर, कि तुम्हारे गोलगप्पे लेके रखे हैं. वो पहले 5-5 गोलगप्पे, राशन मिलता था 5-5 गोलगप्पों
I
का.
mean,
एंड यू नो हर लॉजिक वाज़ कि जो उसका पानी होता है गोलगप्पे का पानी, दैट इज़ इमली का पानी।
Yeah.
तो अभी आजकल तो बहुत ज़्यादा ये आपके आगे ना अल्कलीन फूड्स और उस सब की बात हो
Mm.
रही है। सो बेसिकली इमली का पानी बिकॉज़ इट हैड पुदीना, इट हैज़ ऑल दोज़ रॉक सॉल्ट एंड भुना जीरा, सो इट वाज़ डाइजेस्टिव। सो हर
Yeah.
लॉजिक वाज़ कि ये आपकी डाइजेशन के लिए अच्छा
Makes
होता है।
sense.
एंड
I'm kind of disappointed you didn't give me Golgappas every day.
आई एम
Very
सॉरी
bad.
फॉर दैट। आई कैन स्टिल स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट।
Please, right
जाने
now,
कितने इल्ज़ाम है मेरे ऊपर।
right after this podcast.
सो दैट गोलगप्पे का पानी लाइक वी हैव लिटरली ग्रोन अप ईटिंग जंक फूड एंड यू रिमेंबर जम्मू में कचालू मिलते हैं? दुनिया में कहीं
Yum.
नहीं मिलते जो वहाँ पे मिलते हैं कचालू।
Yum. Stop the
एंड देन दैट स्टफ्ड कुलचा जम्मू वाला,
everything,
दैट इज़
everything.
डिफरेंट फ्रॉम व्हाटएवर वी गेट
I think my
एनीवेयर
favorite
एल्स,
cuisine is Indian street food.
इंडियन स्ट्रीट।
Yeah, Indians. And you know that Indian Chinese, like crappy Indian Chinese?
चाउमीन?
Chow mein. Noodles nahi, chow
वी
mein.
ऑल लाइक चाउमीन।
That. The best.
डोंट कॉल दैट नूडल्स, दैट्स चाउमीन।
Yeah, it's crappy
टेक
Indian
अवे दैट
Chinese.
इफेक्ट।
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Feel चली
So I
जाती है, but
think
yeah,
that is something and but then yes, I'm into healthy eating also. I'm a salads person, I'm a soup
you lost me
person.
at salad.
I'm a soups person. I am
I
some,
love
yeah.
soups.
So I'm someone who's into ghar ki dal, roti, sabzi, stuff like that more. So, but if I have to go out, so
Can't
if
relate.
I get a good salad and a good soup, I'm sorted. Or some starters.
I
I'm
need,
not into fried food.
yeah, fried even I don't like,
Chola
but
bhatura once in a while, it's fine. Puri aloo once in a while, it's fine. Parantha, it's
okay,
good.
what's your ideal breakfast situation? Like, what would you love to have for a breakfast?
So for breakfast, I'm very clear. Like I love having oats. I'll prefer having boiled eggs with it. I'll prefer having if I'm having parantha, I'll have prefer having gobi ka parantha with white butter
Yeah,
and curd, typical that
yeah,
breakfast. So for me, chila is a good option. I
yeah,
love having chila.
yeah.
So all those good, nice options.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And
For
for you?
me, it keeps changing. In Delhi, it's different. In Vizag, it's different. We keep traveling all the time.
Yeah,
Southern
yeah,
India,
yeah,
it's
yeah.
different. So when I'm in Delhi, it's a typical like North Indian breakfast, like aloo ka parantha with green chutney, achar, white
White
butter,
butter,
dahi.
घर का
It's
white
soul
butter.
food, really. It's oopsie. It's soul food. So I love to have that. Otherwise, in Vizag, it's a lot of South Indian. So idli, dosa, uttapams.
South Indian in Vizag is so good. The
It's
idlis are so
yum.
good.
It's to die for.
उसकी
It's my favorite.
नेति
Neti
बिंदु,
Bindu.
नेति
Yeah.
बिंदु की
They
idli.
should pay us. We go there so much. But yeah, idli, dosa, uttapam, I love. I don't really like varas and the other South Indian meals like Andhra meals are delicious. So, but
I
that's for
remember that
lunch.
Andhra meal that we had at that place,
Yes,
Subaya.
subaya. So good. So
That
good.
everyone in Vizag should go and have that,
Yeah.
Subaya.
We just marketed this
I can
place.
just
Subaya.
like I'm just visualizing having food.
Yeah. You go into food coma
Yeah,
after
yeah, yeah,
having
yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah.
Like you need to prepare yourself mentally one day before
Mhm,
and have a very light
mhm.
breakfast or don't have breakfast at all and go for
I
brunch.
didn't
And
have breakfast when I had to go to Subaya. I had
I made sure
heard
you
so
did.
much about it. मैंने कहा भैया हालत खराब बट उसके बाद हालत खराब हो गई थी. I
Yeah.
remember that day the first time when I had meal at Subaya,
It's
I
so
came and I slept for
flavorful,
2 hours straight.
all of us. This one time I couldn't walk. For dinner, we didn't eat anything.
I
We
can relate to
couldn't
that.
walk in the evening after sleeping for 2 hours. We woke up, चला नहीं जा रहा था. It was so bad.
So
But I think, yeah,
that
when we are traveling, it's usually like just a coffee and a croissant. So whenever I'm here, I like to have all the Indian stuff.
I just want to ask you one thing that you guys travel so much. Don't you get bored of eating all the food outside?
I
Every
miss
meal is
Indian
bahar,
every meal. It gets too
and it's like
much.
too much because you guys travel a lot.
Exactly. It gets too
Do you
much.
miss घर का खाना?
Oh, I miss home food. I miss Indian food. I'm the only one who goes
I
there
know
and eats
every trip you want an Indian
Indian. After
food
three,
man.
4 days, I
You
need
need an Indian
Indian.
meal.
Like having dal makhni and garlic naan outside India just hits different. It's the best. Bhaiya and Nitesh don't like to eat Indian, but and some of our clients they really like Indian food, so they're always inviting us for meetings over Indian dinner.
Indian dinner.
And I'm like, yes, I'm coming. But
And
yeah,
what about because you guys travel so much, eat so much outside food, and even here in Delhi, whenever you are here, parties with friends and dinners and all, घर के खाने में क्या पसंद है आप लोगों को?
घर
आपको
का
क्या पसंद है
खाना
घर का खाना? अगर आप जो
Love
थोड़ा बहुत जो भी खाते
Mama,
हो,
I
उसमें
love
घर का खाना क्या पसंद है आपको?
honestly everything. I like yellow dal. I love ghee. Remember this one time when I was that long US Canada trip? I
हाँ,
was coming back. I was boarding the flight from Singapore, and you were like, "What do you want to have for dinner?" And I'm like, "I want raita, chutney, ghee, and yellow
येलो
dal
दाल।
with jeera rice." Like that was like comfort food. So I love घर का खाना everything, but I really like घर की pav bhaji. I feel the pav bhaji in the market is very oily and
या,
spicy.
या।
I love the pav bhaji at home. I love dahi chawal, like the one that mom makes in
अनुपमा
Vizag.
मिक्स,
Yeah,
या।
the best. I love dosa. I love most things at home. Yeah, I love ghar ka khana. What's your favorite ghar ka khana?
Mine has always been राजमा चावल।
Rajma. Oh shit! How can I forget rajma
राजमा
chawal
चावल।
and aloo ka
जम्मू
paratha?
वाली हूँ मैं, जम्मू के राजमा खा के बड़ी हुई,
The
सो
best.
राजमा चावल इज़ लाइक स्टिपुलेट। जम्मू में क्या होता है, एवरी संडे
Yeah.
इनवेरिएबली एवरी हाउसहोल्ड हैज़ राजमा चावल।
Really?
जिसके मर्ज़ी घर
It's a
चले जाओ
ritual.
राजमा चावल, लाइक एवरी संडे किसी के घर चले जाओ लंच में राजमा चावल मिलेंगे
Yeah.
विद लॉट्स ऑफ देसी घी।
And I've seen one thing. Rajma tastes different in every house, but it's yummy in every house. Like I've
यस,
never had bad rajma.
एवरी फैमिलीज़ गॉट इट्स ओन राजमा
Rajma
रेसिपी।
recipe. And
बट आई लव
every is
राजमा इन
good.
जम्मू बिकॉज़ आई थिंक वहाँ पे पहाड़ी पानी है, कुछ पानी का डिफरेंस है। सो वो राजमा वहाँ पे पहाड़ी राजमा है भदरवा के,
Yeah.
दे टेस्ट एब्सोल्यूटली डिफरेंट,
Wow.
एब्सोल्यूटली डिफरेंट।
That's the one we have here.
या,
We've never had
तो
like
वहीं से आदत पड़ी हुई है वही वाली
yum,
खाने की।
yum. Okay, wait. I made a list of food related questions
ओके,
for us. Let's start. It's gonna be super quick and fun.
या,
What's your ultimate? You have to be very quick with the answers.
ओके,
What's your ultimate go-to comfort food when you're feeling down?
खिचड़ी।
Khichdi. I think for me, any like good soup would be
खिचड़ी इज़ देयर,
like a comfort food.
another one is
Bread jam.
ब्रेड जैम, मिक्स्ड फ्रूट जैम, किसान मिक्स्ड फ्रूट जैम।
I love khichdi and fries. Fries are like soul food. Okay. Is there a comfort food from childhood that you still love today? I think Rajma
राजमा
Chawal for
चावल,
you. Rajma Chawal. For me also, Rajma
नॉस्टैल्जिया,
Chawal. Same.
नॉस्टैल्जिया।
Same for me. Do we share a favorite comfort food or do our tastes differ?
आई थिंक राजमा चावल इज़ काइंड ऑफ
Rajma
अ
Chawal.
कम्फर्ट फूड।
This, I think the name of this podcast should be Rajma
राजमा चावल,
Chawal.
द राजमा चावल पॉडकास्ट।
Yeah. I mean, today's episode, not the podcast. Yeah. What's a dish that you associate with family gatherings or special moments?
So if I talk about vegetarian, तो राजमा used to be there always.
Yeah.
And if I talk about non-vegetarian, you people were chotu chotu. So butter chicken.
Butter
Butter
chicken.
chicken, I remember
Yeah.
butter chicken.
Yeah. So good. I think, yeah, same. And also this pudding you used to make, it used to be like it was a very random
Recipe,
invention.
recipe.
Yeah, but damn nice with vanilla sponge cake and then a layer of ice cream
And
and
pineapple and
yeah,
stuff.
damn nice. You used to make that at every gathering.
Yes. And it was a super hit at every gathering.
Everyone used to love it.
मतलब वो बनानी ही बनानी है, उसके अलावा कुछ और बना लो,
Correct.
बट
That
दैट वाज़
has to
देयर।
be there.
आई फॉरगॉट उसका नाम रखा था यार कुछ मैंने,
हाँ, कुछ था,
कुछ नाम रखा था।
कुछ था. But yeah, that one I associate that with family gatherings. Do you have a food that instantly reminds you of home?
होम जम्मू हो, दिस होम,
Both
राजमा चावल।
Rajma again. I think for me also yellow dal and rice and Rajma rice both.
Yeah.
Is there a comfort food we used to make together when I was growing up? I mean, I never made obviously, but you used to make for me.
गोलगप्पे, घर के गोलगप्पे।
घर के गोलगप्पे. I
घर के
also
गोलगप्पे आई मेड
remember
इट स्पेशली बिकॉज़ बाहर का मेरे को लगता था यार, देयर केम अ पॉइंट कि बहुत सारे टाइफाइड केसेस हो रहे थे
yeah,
एंड डॉक्टर टिक्कू टोल्ड मी दैट गोलगप्पे के पानी से होते हैं,
yeah.
तो छोड़ो घर ही बनाओ। सो बिकॉज़ आई यूज्ड टू मेक गोलगप्पे एट होम विद नानी जी बिकॉज़ आई वाज़
Mom,
अमंग
it's
एल्डेस्ट
a
अमंग्स ऑल द
crime to
सिस्टर्स।
have clean golgappa water. You need to have it outside भैया के
सो आई
गंदे
यूज्ड टू
हाथों
मेक इट विद
वाला.
नानी जी, सो आई हैड दैट रेसिपी नानी जी
I
की ना,
know.
सो दैट इज़ समथिंग
गोलगप्पे
व्हिच
तो गंदे ही अच्छे
अच्छा
हैं.
भाई नेवर ईट्स गोलगप्पा आउटसाइड बट वन्स द डे आई
At
मेक इट एट
home.
होम, so he's the
That's
one to sit at the table and he'll sit. अब कोई हाथ नहीं लगाएगा, मैं खाऊँगा।
yeah, yeah,
He's like that.
correct. So Yeah, I think if I have to answer that, it'll be Italian. You used to make pasta and chicken alla Kiev.
Chicken.
Yum. And you used to make this herb chicken rice and you used to bake it. I don't know what that recipe is, but
Again, that was a jugaad
while
recipe.
growing up, I used to love it.
It
Like
was a
before
jugaad
shadi.
recipe.
Yeah, too good, too good. Okay. If you could only eat one food for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Yellow dal chawal.
Yellow dal chawal.
Yellow.
No rajma chawal.
Nahin.
How can you dish
Rose,
rajma
rose.
chawal
I'm sorry for that. But yellow dal chawal
for life?
is for life. That yellow moong dhuli dal
Shit, there
with
are
jeera
so
tadka,
many. Yeah.
boiled rice, and some desi ghee. I love desi ghee.
Yum. Yeah.
And mera adrak mirchi ka achar.
Mm.
I
Good.
can have
You can have it every day.
I can have it every day.
Oh God, for me, if I could eat
Even
one
curd
food,
rice.
curd rice.
Curd rice I love.
If I could only eat one food for the rest of my life, what would it be? There are so many.
Aloo. Anything
Anything
made of
potato,
aloo.
anything aloo. Correct. आलू की सब्जी,
उसका
आलू का
नाम ही आलू
पराठा,
डाला हुआ था.
फ्रेंच फ्राई, anything
आलू का
आलू.
परांठा, फ्रेंच फ्राइज.
Yeah. Anything आलू, I think. Correct.
The nickname should be aloo.
Name me that. Was there a food you introduced me to that you're proud I love? Chicken
I
ala
think
ki.
soups is
Chicken
one
ala
thing.
ki.
Chicken alagi. But I think soups, you got into the habit of having soups. घर पे रोज बनता था.
Correct. I love
So
soups.
soups are like, because it's like
I just
nutrition,
had it for lunch.
nutrition
Yeah.
in a bowl.
Correct.
So soup.
And taste
Yeah.
and comfort. Okay, what's your favorite cuisine? Top three.
Number one, Italian.
Number two,
Number two, Chinese. Number three, street food.
Indian.
Indian street
Okay. Okay.
food. Because
And
when I'm out of घर ना,
तो होम फूड की वैल्यू पता चलती है.
नहीं, I
Yeah.
don't want to have घर ये दाल सब्जी रोटी.
Oh, you're one
वो
of
तो घर पे
those.
खाती हूँ मैं रोज.
You're one of
So
those
I don't
people.
want दाल मखनी होटल में. So I
Yeah.
want, if I go, so I want Italian, I want
But
risotto.
wherever I'm going, I like to have the local food
Yeah,
there.
local food is always a good bet.
Like,
Always a good bet.
yeah, the local cuisine. And my taste palette is not very sweet. So sometimes food which tastes sweet, like I
You
don't
can't
like it.
have
Even
it.
at restaurants, like I'll call the chef and I'll ask him, like, okay, is this preparation? Like, how do you make this? What's the flavor like? If it's sweet, I don't order it.
Mhm.
And a lot of times I send it back. If it's sweet, it's yeah. But yeah.
I think you and me have one thing in common. We don't have a sweet tooth.
Oh, yeah, I don't.
We can.
Like
I
if I
can
can have
do for
two,
days
three.
without. I can remain like without meetha for days.
Correct. If I have two, three bites, I'm sorted for 3 weeks.
So even
Yeah.
my chai, cold coffee, anything, it's without sugar.
But I love my drinks sweet. That's the
You have that
thing.
boba tea.
Bubble
That's
tea.
full of sugar.
I love
That's
bubble
full of
tea.
sugar.
Taro bubble tea from Tea Bear is my favorite.
इतना
And
मैंने
then
सुना था
cold
उसका
coffee.
बबल टी का, and the day you got it for me, मैं कहा नहीं यार, you overrated. For me, it was
Oh,
overrated.
I think I made you. There are two types of
Mhm.
people. You're not the kinds who like the milk tea. I made you try the milk tea.
I
You
don't
like
know.
the other one
I
with
don't know.
topping boba.
Because I don't have a sweet tooth. Maybe
Yeah.
that was too much for me.
Yeah. But I like my drinks sweet. I love the classic cold coffee with
Mhm.
vanilla ice cream blended
Mhm.
and chocolate syrup.
Remember the cold coffee at home that I
The
used to make?
best. It's the best. My favorite cold coffee. So yeah, I like my drinks to be sweet, but I don't have a sweet tooth otherwise. That's one thing. But yeah, what else?
We've spoken a lot about food today.
This episode is about food. So I mean, of course.
Another thing that I love is having pan.
Pan. Okay.
So earlier I
Can
used to have मीठा pan, but now I have सादा pan.
Okay.
और एक बार में 2 खाने होते हैं.
We always get two for you.
So,
Okay, mom, last question.
okay.
What's that one cuisine you haven't tried but you really want to try?
Nothing as such. I've
Nothing.
tried Japanese, Chinese तो चलता ही है हमारा. Italian. कुछ ऐसा नहीं है. Mughlai I've had.
Hi. Mexican. Do you like
Mexican.
Mexican?
Yeah, I've had Mexican food.
You like?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's more like Indian food, spices and all that.
Yeah. Flavors.
The flavors.
Yeah.
So I don't think any which like not coming to my mind right now.
Okay.
सब कुछ ही खाया है.
Yeah.
And what about you?
Same. I've I've tried a lot of cuisines. I can't think of anything that I haven't tried which I want to try. I really love Korean food as well.
Mhm. I've not tried Korean. I've yet to
Okay,
try
it's I
Korean.
like Korean. I like I like food. I like everything.
Food.
But yeah,
Food is life. Life
yeah,
is
yeah.
food.
Correct. Mom, I think we've talked a lot about food and I'm hungry and I really am craving Golgappas. So let's
Let's
end
go.
this.
Let's go.
Let's go for Golgappas. The I'm gonna again make this place public. I'm sure everyone in Faridabad knows it. Go to Sector 14 Main Market, Sangam Chaat Bhandar. Best Golgappas ever. Let's go have it.
Let's go. Let's go.
Bye
Bye
guys. See
bye.
you in the next episode.